All right, so I want to show you a couple little shortcuts for cutting down your search time for deals when you do your affiliate stuff. So I'm going to dive right into it. So you got your normal Amazon front screen set up. Let's say that you are looking for deals in laundry soap, right? So I'll type in laundry soap, and of course, it's going to return to me 3,000 results. But what I'm looking for, just like you guys, is the deals, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to click 4 stars and up on the left-hand side. Then I'm going to come down and I'm going to pick my price range. Normally with an item like soap, people are not going to spend 265 plus. We're looking for, that I'm under a $35 category. So I'm going to go ahead and search that and filter that. And then I'm going to click on, kind of go down, click on today's deals. So if you look, I went from 3,000 results to 24 results for laundry soap. Probably click on Prime. That would make the most sense. And there we go, still 54. And now I've narrowed this down, and I can even narrow it down even more if I wanted to with the categories here. But with 54, I'm okay with that. Then I'll come over here and I'll search by best sellers. And there I go. So here are my best deals today in this particular category. Now, so let's say tomorrow I want to come back and I want to do the same thing, but I don't want to sit here and click all the buttons to get back there. Well, that's where the magic of this happens. So right up here, all of this saves every parameter you just put on the left, 4 stars and up, under $25 or whatever the case is, and today's deal. So you click on this, you copy it, then you open a Google Sheet, and you can go to Google Sheets. They're free. Type in laundry soap under 25, today's deal. Now, okay, so that's just text. If you hit Control K and then you paste the link and hit apply, now that link is saved with your search parameters. So tomorrow, let's say I come in here, I open this Google spreadsheet. It's sitting right here. I want to say, what are my soap deals today under $25? I click on that and it will populate again for me the same search with a new, obviously these are the results from today, but it will populate the new results for the new day. So you can set this up and you can see exactly what you want. The other thing you can do is, let's say that you want, let's see, well, it is a search under $25. So then you can set it up for, it gives you all these things, laundry soap liquid, right? Maybe that would be more appropriate to what you're looking for. 4 stars. I'm going to go under, let's just call it $50. And then I want, what was the other thing? Today's deals, right? And then there I go. And I'll get a little bit different, but this one is the laundry soap liquid. But of course, you see some detergent sheets here and some other stuff. So copy, go to my Google Sheet, type in a new thing, and I can save that. And then tomorrow, I just open up Google Sheets, and there I go. You can see exactly what the search results are. And you can see how powerful this is with all of the categories that you may post deals in. So I'll show you, I am in the woodworking niche. And so here are some of the ones that I use. I come through and I will just simply say, okay, so what kind of glue is on sale? I'll click this and it will populate with whatever I've chosen in that particular parameter. And I can scroll through and I can give it a gander to see which ones are the ones that I want to then look further into or possibly post. So very simple, very straightforward way to do that. Search once, save your search, and then you will be good to go. It'll save you a little bit of time.